ProBlogger Freelancer Platform Review Usage Experience. In this video, I'll be sharing my review of ProBlogger, a platform tailored for freelance writers and businesses seeking professional blogging services. If you're interested in exploring ProBlogger, I've added helpful links in the description below. ProBlogger is a niche platform specifically designed for writers and content creators, making it a go-to choice for bloggers and businesses needing high-quality content. What sets ProBlogger apart is its job board, where clients post writing gigs ranging from one-off blog posts to ongoing content creation roles. This focus on blogging ensures that both clients and freelancers get matched for the specific skill set they're seeking. Freelancers can browse through job postings for a variety of writing-related work, including copywriting, content strategy, ghostwriting, SEO-optimized articles, and more. The platform caters to writers of all experience levels, from beginners looking for their first gigs to seasoned professionals seeking premium clients. It's especially useful for freelance writers who want to connect with companies and individuals in industries like tech, travel, and finance. ProBlogger's job board is straightforward and easy to navigate. Clients post detailed descriptions of their requirements, including the project scope, payment terms, and desired writing style. This clarity helps freelancers determine whether a job aligns with their expertise. While the platform doesn't handle payments directly, it gives users the freedom to negotiate terms with clients, making it a flexible choice for those who prefer managing their own contracts. For clients, ProBlogger offers a curated space to find talented writers who understand blogging and content marketing. Its targeted approach saves businesses time compared to broader platforms where sifting through unrelated applications can be overwhelming. Overall, ProBlogger is ideal for freelancers who specialize in writing and want to work with clients focused on content creation. It's equally beneficial for businesses that value skilled writers capable of delivering engaging and well-researched blog posts. If you're looking to enhance your freelancing journey or hire top-notch writing talent, check out ProBlogger via the links in the description and experience a platform built for blogging excellence.